extinctions fascinating, but none more fascinating than the Permian mass extinction that happened 252 million years ago. The Great Dying was the largest mass extinction in the history of our planet. Some estimates put it as high as 96% of everything in the oceans and about 70% of everything on land went extinct. So what could have possibly caused all this death and destruction? The most likely candidate is a large volcanic eruption that happened at the end of the Permian period called the Siberian Traps. This massive volcanic eruption spewed out millions of cubic kilometers of lava onto the surface of the planet. And like with any volcanic eruption, it also released volcanic gases. One of the gases released was CO2, carbon dioxide. And this increase in atmospheric CO2 led to cascading effects. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas, so the release of it into the atmosphere caused an increase in global temperature. This increase in global temperature caused methane to be released because it was trapped in ice below the surface of the ocean, and that ice melted. Now, methane is a potent greenhouse gas, so this led to even more global warming. Plus, warm water holds less dissolved oxygen than cold water, so this increase in global temperature also led to ocean anoxia. The increase of CO2 in the atmosphere also meant that there was increased dissolved CO2 in the oceans. And when you dissolve CO2 in water, you make carbonic acid. So this led to ocean acidification. And on land, the increase in global temperature caused there to be widespread aridity or dryness. So, the Siberian Traps erupted, causing CO2 to be released into the atmosphere. This caused an increase in global temperature, which caused methane trapped in ice under the oceans to also be released into the atmosphere, further increasing global temperature. The high levels of CO2 in the atmosphere led to ocean acidification, and the warm temperatures led to ocean anoxia, as well as aridity or dryness on the land. It was a bad scene. It took 10 million years for ecosystems and the Earth to recover from this event. But from tragedy comes triumph, because in the aftermath of the Permian mass extinction around the Middle Triassic, the very first dinosaurs appeared. The Permian mass extinction marks the end of the Paleozoic and the beginning of the Mesozoic era, also known as the Age of Dinosaurs.